Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I don't normally do unboxing videos, but I'm going to do it this time. The only thing I've done is take the tape off, rip it open. So let's get into it and see what we've got. What we've got inside is this tan, we'll get rid of the thing, 10 bat with string on it. From the feel, it feels like there's a helmet in there. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in here. Turn it around. There's a little bag of goodies right here. I'm not sure what they all go to, but I'm pretty sure they fit the helmet somewhere. And here is my new tactical helmet from Tachelmet. And it looks pretty interesting inside, but I'm going to change camera angle so that we can look at this a little bit better, and then we will go from there. Okay, this is the outer shell. As you can tell by the front, here's your front attachment. Most people probably use it for night vision. We'll see what I will do. These seem to be pretty standard rails along the side here. I've never had a tactical helmet before, and the last time I wore a helmet for combat or anything was a steel pot with a nylon liner in it. It's not terribly heavy, which is a good thing. It seems to be quite well padded in here, and these inner pads seem to be adjustable. Velcro down there. Oops, one came off. Well, that's not a good start. Looks like I gotta fix it already. Okay. I bought this from Tachelmet, and I presume that was the model or make or whatever. One of the things I'm noticing is there is absolutely no labels in or on this thing at all. These side ones also can be removed and replaced, as can the back one. Again, I'm a little leery to do that. So you can adjust it. It's supposed to be a level 4, which from what I understand is not possible. All helmets are currently only level 3A. So the question is, did I make a mistake? Well, we're going to have to find out, but I'm not going to shoot it to test it. Let me show you some other stuff that I'm going to do to it, and we'll go from there. These are the hearing protection that I plan on mounting on the helmet. They are Peltor Tactical Sport, and they were originally on this headband. And before I go too much further, I wanted to point something out about the Tactical Sport. Is you don't have to cut anything off to get this off. These unsnap right here. Okay, they unsnap, and then they unsnap along the edge, like so. So you don't have to, and it's on both ends. You just take it and undo it, and it pulls apart, and then you can just go around and pull this rubber piece off. You don't have to cut anything. By not cutting anything, you are saving it, and if you ever want to put these back on your headset, you're good to go. No issues. I just wanted to show you that quick. These here are from Peltor. So I knew they would fit this, and these are supposed to work well with this helmet, and we are going to find out. After I got everything together and I can show it to you, I'm going to put it on, and then we can talk some more about, did I make a mistake buying this helmet? I know nothing about helmets, as I've already stated. Why did I want one? Oh, I'm an old man that likes to play with toys. Let it go at that. So let me put all this together, and then we'll come back and talk. Before I get too far into the weeds, I want to talk about something. This is a GoPro mount that goes on the front of the helmet where you would put your night vision device. I'll show you something quick. Goes on kind of easy, doesn't it? Yep, but listen. That's something you definitely don't want it doing. So, if you buy one of these, and I can put the link in the description below because I got it from Amazon. This came with these two pads, for the lack of a better way of putting it, which I presume go right here on the bottom of this. There might be one or whatever, but we're going to see. And I'm definitely going to add one so that we can get rid of that vibration. When I come back after I get it all together, we will see how it worked. I have, as I have already stated, no experience with these kind of helmets. I've got one of the earmuffs on already. I'm now going to show you how to put on the other one. I had to watch a lot of YouTube videos before I figured this out, and I didn't figure it out. I went and had somebody show me on a YouTube video. I'm hoping you can see this. This piece here, right here, needs to go in to those two tracks. And you are not going to do it by hand. I'll tell you that right up front. This little, from other videos I've watched, this little pin thing right here, and I can't see the monitor, so I hope you're seeing that. Let me check and see if I can find out if you're seeing this or not. This little pin piece actually is supposed to kind of like click along in here. Well, it isn't clicking very much there, but we will see what else we've got going on. The big thing to show you right now is just how to get this into that groove. And the best, some people probably would not have put the earmuffs on. The smart thing would have been to do would have put this on the helmet first, but I didn't do that. Okay, so another dumb on me. But anyway, to get it where I need it to go, I got to pound it in. And I've been cutting the difference here. One more. One more. Okay. It seems to be in there. So, from here, we're going to, I don't know what I'm going to do with this cord. I got to figure that out because I'm not cutting it, that's for sure. I definitely want to be able to use the full audio capability of these. These are really good muffs, by the way. And for the record, I just recently got new ear cups and pads for inside. I've had them for several years and they work quite well. So, I am not going to bore you with me adjusting the chin strap. I think you can all figure out what's best for you on that. And hopefully the next time I come talk to you, the helmet will be assembled and fitted and ready to go. Here is the helmet fully assembled. It actually is quite comfortable, which I was a little surprised about. Let's do a quick tour around the helmet. Everything works, everything's comfortable, the muffs are in good and tight. I do want to show you one thing though. I'm taking that off because I wanted to show you I had to use Velcro. I got the felt part in here and I had to put the hook part on the back of this. That's the only way. I had to put that in so that I could stop the vibration and the rattle. And it worked quite well. So that's what I did, you know, to take care of that little problem when this is on the helmet. Back to what started this video and why I made it in the first place. Did I make a mistake buying this helmet? Yes, I did. Am I going to send it back? No, I am not. I'm keeping the helmet. I intend to use it as much as I can. But the reason why I say I made a mistake is I didn't do enough research. I should have gone with hard head veterans, which is what started it in the first place. I was getting advertisements on my Facebook page for hard head veterans. They look like really good helmets. I decided, what the hell, maybe I need one. You know, at least have one around if I needed it. So I went out, and because the ones I was looking at with hard head veterans were pushing close to $1,000, I wanted to see if there was a less expensive option. So I went out on the internet and I found several less expensive options. I knew a $100 to $200 helmet was not going to make it. That's nothing more than a bump helmet. And then I found Tachelmet. You know, Tachelmet had helmets for, you know, $200, $300. Well, this one's $500. It looked like a really pretty good helmet, so I went ahead and bought it. I did not know at the time that I was buying it how little integrity, I guess, maybe, there was on the internet for helmet sellers. As I said in the opening when I did the unboxing portion of this video, I said in the beginning that there were no stickers or anything in this helmet. And I also said that it's supposed to be rated at NJ level 4, and I learned after I bought the helmet that level 3A is as high as any of them apparently go for actual legitimate helmets. So, in closing, not to make this too long, yes, I made a mistake. I shouldn't have bought it. I should have done more research, checked into it more, either on the internet or wherever, before I bought the helmet. So, right now, will I recommend it? No, I will not recommend this helmet. Not until somebody has actually bought the same exact helmet and shot it, which I'm not going to do. I'm not going to put a $500. I'm a retired guy. I've got some extra money to play with toys like this, but I'm not going to go try to ruin it by, you know, ruin a $500 helmet by putting a bullet in it. So, I don't know if this helps anybody else. I will recommend hard head veterans based on what I know from the research I have done online. I don't personally own one of their helmets. I don't know anyone that does. So that's just my opinion on somebody I would choose if I were going to go choose a helmet right now. And I'll actually I'm going to just put it on the video so you guys don't have to search for it. So, with all that said, I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you all had a great day, and I hope you have a better journey in buying your helmets. Take care, everyone.